Hey everyone, do you want to see how I did this beautiful nail look with the stuff I got from the TikTok shop? If so, you're in luck because I'm going to show you in this video. This video is a little bit long, but I think you guys will like it. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm taking the nails I did yesterday with the poly gel. We put poly gel on them, and I showed it in my last video to strengthen the press-on. So I took those and I cleaned them really good with alcohol. Now I'm taking our base coat from that same Born Pretty poly gel kit, and I'm going to put a nice layer, thin but even layer of base coat on each one of the nails, and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. There they are, all cured and pretty. So now I'm taking this really pretty, it's called a Nude Pink from BlueSky, and it's from the Classic Plus collection that I showed you guys in a previous video. And I'm painting 2 coats of this on the middle finger and the ring finger. Now I show you in the video that I did the 2 coats. I could have just done one, and that's why I showed both coats going on, is because I feel like I could have gotten away with one, but I decided to do the 2 anyway, and I just wanted to show you the pigmentation of the polish and that I could have gotten away with one if I really wanted to. So there it is after 1. And I'm going to go in and do the second coat and cure each one for, again, in between each coat for 60 seconds. This is like the perfect nude. It's really, really pretty. I like it a lot. So now that those are all nice and cured, we're going to take this gorgeous blue. This blue is called Celeste, and it is like the perfect blue shade for the summer. It's so pretty. And we are going to paint the rest of the nails with that, the thumb, the pointer, and the pinky. And again, I could have gotten away with 1 coat, but I did do 2, so I show both in the video. And you're going to cure those in between each coat, again, for 60 seconds. How many times do I say coat in this video? So that's after 1. Now let's do the second one. Isn't this the prettiest blue? I really like this polish. It's affordable. The consistency is great. I think it would be perfect for like beginners or people starting out, a way to get like several colors and not like spend a whole bunch of money. And I like that they're the big bottles as well. So that's after the 2 coats for each of the polishes. Now, what I like to do when I use blooming gel is I clean the nail off with rubbing alcohol. I feel like it helps with the separation. Sometimes when you use blooming gel, after you apply it, it like almost reacts like there's oil on the nail and it like all separates, you know? So this just helps so that doesn't happen. These are all the colors I'm using. Again, I'm using the BlueSky collection. I believe it's Classic Plus, and these colors are so pretty. It's a perfect collection for summer. I really think it is. If you guys haven't checked out these polishes, click the link in this video and check them out. I do think that you're really gonna like them. So I'm gonna take those colors and I'm gonna put it on my little palette here. My palette is from Purple Phoenix, and I'm using a dark blue, the pink, I think that blue is called Royal Pink, or sorry, Royal Blue. The pink is Fuchsia Fumble, and then the yellow is Sorbet or Sorbet Zest or something like that. And then we got the light blue, which is Loving Nature, and then we're going to use again Celeste, the color that we painted the other nails with. And we're going to use a dotting tool, and I just kind of whirl it together a little bit, but not too much. You don't want to make it a muddy mess. Now you're going to take the McCart blooming gel. This is the best blooming gel I have ever used. The consistency of this is better than any other blooming gel I've used. I absolutely love it. Highly recommend. Again, this is also going to be linked in this video. So you're going to put a nice even coat of blooming gel on the 2 nude nails. Now, do not cure this. You want to make sure you do not cure the blooming gel, because it will not, your design isn't going to work if you cure it. So now I'm taking my paint palette and I'm going to pick some of the paint up using an ombre brush. This is from SNA. It's a collaboration between Storm Nails and SNA. And I just scoop up all the colors on the brush, and I'm going to very lightly touch that to the paint. Now I barely touch the brush to it at all. It's more of just putting the polish on it and tapping the polish, and I just do it in like a wavy motion and very lightly feather it on. Now I wanted a little bit more of the yellowy color in the blue, so I just went back and added that. And you let it sit for a couple seconds to bloom out. The longer you sit, the more the polish will spread, and then you're going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. This is so simple, anybody can do it. It's one of the simplest designs and it looks so pretty. So there it is after I cured it in the lamp. Isn't that pretty? It looks like I put so much effort into it and it's super easy. This is one of my favorite designs to do. I think it's so pretty. And now I'm just taking a little bit of foil that I had, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of it. So I clean off my paint palette, I take a little bit of the foil out and break it up, and then I'm just using the sticky layer that's left from the polish, you know? I didn't add anything to it, I'm just sticking it right to the nail. On, you know, the sticky layer that's left over before top coat. And I didn't want to use too much of this, but just enough to, you know, accent it. Because you know me, I gotta have a little bit of sparkle in there. Again, this design is super easy. These products make it that much easier and that much better. I have everything linked in this video. Click the link, check it out for yourself, and yeah, grab them up. And then you guys can recreate this look and tag me in it and let me know what you thought and how you did with it. So there they are, all done. Beautiful. Now I take the Born Pretty top coat that, again, it came in our polygel kit. This top coat, by the way, is awesome. It's nice and thick, but it's not too thick. It's hard to explain, but it's really great. I absolutely love this top coat. I know I say that a lot, but I really, really like it. Highly, highly recommend. So there they are, all done, and look at that design. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. And now I show them to you on my hand. So there it is, guys. I hope you liked this video. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments. Click those links and get yourself some amazing nail stuff from TikTok Shop. Thanks for watching. Love y'all bunches. Bye.